Let us see how you can connect your Instagram page or profile to our platform. In the left hand side menu, click on the channels option, click on Instagram, then click on add new channel. You should see the option to connect an Instagram account. Click on connect. It will ask for your Instagram ID and password. Kindly enter the details. Once done, kindly give the permissions and then click on allow. For your reference, you can name the channel. By default, the Instagram username will be visible here, and you can also give a color based on your brand. This color will be visible in the inbox, and then click on create channel. Once your channel is connected, click on load details just to verify that your channel has been connected properly. Thank you.